second raid at Green Plus Dispensary on Western.
Our partners at the Attorney General's Office and the Oklahoma Medical Marijuana Authority were simultaneously serving a warrant at the dispensary location that's located right next to the property.
OBN agents found about 1,000 pounds of marijuana inside the warehouse. Wednesday's search is part of an ongoing investigation between 4 different agencies. And agents say the search has been going on for months, and there's still more to be done.
What we want to continue to do is find out who are all the people that are involved. What are all the
You
farms
already
that
know
are
we
growing
prefer
marijuana
Rumble.
and having it brought to this location for sale on the black market.
Mark Woodward with OBN also says this warehouse was a Chinese-run organization, and he says with 85% of criminal growers in the state linked to Chinese nationals, it can be hard to make arrests right away.
These are very complex to try to shut down the entire organization, not just one location, whether that's a farm, a dispensary, or a stash location.
In South Oklahoma City, Hunter Elise, Oklahoma's News 4.
At the same time as today's raid, agents with the Attorney General's office searched a medical marijuana waste disposal in Logan County. As of right now, there have been no arrests.
Waste disposal company. Hey, that sounds like a good way to get in. I just couldn't pick up the old shit.
Remember me when you're far away. I'll always have a place for you to stay. In the garden, by the door, in the bedroom, on the floor. Remember me when you're far away. I'll always have a place for you to stay. In the middle of the night, I'm gonna be there till the morning light. Remember me when you're far away. I'll always have a place for you to stay. In the garden, by the door, in the bedroom, on the floor. Remember me when you're far away. I'll always have a place for you to stay. In the middle of the night, I'm gonna be there till the morning light.
And of course, the good thing to remember about the Rumble side of things is I post all content that I record on Rumble. So you get Spider Pig
Remember me when you're far
and the Cultivation
away.
channel,
I'll
all
always have a
content and
place for you
videos that
to
are,
stay.
you know,
In the
actually
garden,
recorded,
by
said
the
like this
door,
one,
in the bedroom, on the
with the
floor.
studio quality version
Remember
over on the
me
Rumble
when
side.
you're
So
far away. I'll always have a place for you to stay.
you
In the
literally get all
middle of
3
the
channels
night, I'm gonna be there
just from going to
till the
Rumble.
morning light.
But you know, hey, watch all 3 channels on YouTube if you want though. You dig? Shout out to Super Saturdays. Those videos are always fun for me, so you know I always have something ready for us to go, right? Right, we're gonna have some Dragon Ball to talk about over there. You dig? Or Simpsons or entertainment. Yeah, shout out to the W Solo Leveling Promotion. We've been rocking with that for them, so hopefully we getting our numbers up and we putting our videos up. Oh yeah, that's the big homie DJ is did this beat for your boy. He knows me. Shout out to the beats though. Go check out his YouTube at DJ is or hit his buy me a coffee. It'll shoot you back to his YouTube some way or another. Anyways. Yeah, but it's about time to get ready to go in that garden because hold on, we almost at the end of the video selections, which means it'll be time to run to the garden. Shout out to the Twist 2.